Chapter 1: Basic Concepts of Computer Network. Today, computer has an amazing impact on almost every facet of our lives. The rapid increase in the use of computers has generated the need of networking to transfer data from one place to another place quickly, easily, and cheaply. Networking refers to a group of autonomous computers interconnected to each other for sharing of resources. The resources that they can share include data or information, software as well as hardware. Computer network. A computer network consists of a group of computers, user terminals, and other system components that are linked together to share the resources. These shared resources can be data files, any application software, or hardware like printers, modems, etc. Advantages of network. Computer networks have minimized the world and brought people together. There are several advantages of computer networking, which are as follows. Resources sharing. In a computer network, we can share almost every peripheral device. For example, all the nodes can access a single printer, modem, fax machine, CD writer, or any other peripheral connected to a specific node. This eliminates the need to buy multiple sets of hardware, leading to significant cost saving. Data sharing. The users can access the shared data over the computer network in an easy way. The shared data can be used by many programs for doing different types of processes related to a domain of entities. Communication. Communication can be done between various computers connected through network to do office work. For example, in a large company, the employees and computers may be scattered in many countries. They have to communicate and send daily report to each other using email facility. Centralized management of resources. In a network, modification in software or hardware are done at a single point. Since the resources are installed at a single point, all modifications are done at that point rather than individual computers. Reduces redundancy. In a common workplace, since people use the same data, they can share it over a network by saving and storing it centrally. This also reduces the redundancy of the same data. Data security. Files and programs on a network can be password protected. This ensures that only authorized people can use the information stored on a network. Networks have built-in security programs. These security programs monitor and report any abnormal activity on a computer network to the network administrator. Required devices for computer network. In order to establish a computer network, we need various devices which are as follows. Workstations. In networking, individual computers that are connected to each other are called workstations. They are also called nodes. Server. The main computer that controls the whole network is called server. To access information over the network, the workstation should have access to the server. The speed of the network depends on the capacity of the server. Modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. Modem is required to convert the analog signal to digital signal and vice versa to make transmission of data possible. Networking components. A network is created by adding components to it in a way of clients and server. Some other components are also important for creating network because these link up the computers with their specific functioning. Let us learn about some commonly used network components. Network Interface Card, NIC. NIC is a small piece of computer hardware which facilitates the communication between different computers over a network. The NIC identifies every single node in a network by providing a unique physical address to it. This address is stored on the chip which is mounted on the card. Hub. Hub is a central hardware device in a network that manages traffic across the network. A hub divides the bandwidth or communication speed equally among the computers connected to it. Switch. Switch is used to connect various computers and devices to a computer network. Packet switching technique is used to transfer data. It connects multiple communication lines together. Repeater. Repeater is a communication device which is used to amplify the signal which is being transmitted in a network. This ensures that signal do not get lost over long-distance transmission. It receives signals, cleans and retransmits them. Bridge. Bridge connects two network segments if these use the same protocols. The bridge can stop the one segment from another, so it works as filter also. Bridge is used to connect two LANs also. Router. Router is used to connect one computer network with other computer network. It creates path through which information is passed through around the network. When a packet of data arrives at router of network, its header is checked for destination. The packet is transferred to the next device using the best.